Hey guys, it's Christina from Life According to Kay. It's good to see you again. Today, as promised, we are going to replace my map lights and my dome light. We're turning them into LEDs. I preferred that because LEDs are a lot brighter, and what comes in this car right now is stock, just with the yellow light. So I wanted something that's a little bit safer and brighter at night. So first things first, and this is up to you, but most of the time when you're dealing with electrical things, it is really important. And I was told this by my lovely boyfriend, reminder, turn off your electrical before you start. I was ready to just go and get in there, but we need to disconnect at least one part of the battery. Super easy. All right, so here we are. Once again, my car is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. So if you have anything in the Hyundai Santa Fe family, this may apply, but make sure you check your manufacturer, okay? So what I'm gonna do first is take off at least one side of my battery, so there's no connection. Thank you to my boyfriend John for that. We're gonna go ahead and release this part right here. An adjustable wrench is something that might be very handy for you to have for this. I have an AGM battery, doesn't really matter very much, but for this one, if yours looks different and you have a red and black, try and take the black off. Don't take the red, and you should be fine. Alright, so here we go. Just making sure that okay, so now I have this loosened enough I can take it off. Alright, use gloves if you really care about your hands. I just thought this was going to be an easy connection for me, so I didn't do it on this case. Alright, so we're good. We have one part taken off of the terminal. Now we're going to head inside and take a look at our map lights first. Alright guys, so we're back in the car. We have the electrical taken care of. So now I wanted to show you, I got this nice little package from Amazon. And as I described earlier in my other videos, I did have a trip to AutoZone, one of my favorite places. This video is not sponsored, where they actually encouraged me to go and find cheaper products because, you know, sometimes that happens. So I went and got this. If you go to Amazon, you can put in your year, make, and model and put in what you're looking for, and they will give you a list of companies and merchandise where you can get. I got this on Amazon to replace all of the light bulbs in my car, the interior ones. So the cabin, the dome, the map lights, and the license plate. Today we're only doing the map lights and license plate, and we'll do the other two in another video. So the box is pretty awesome. In here, this particular one by Fire, and I will include the link for Fire and also include a snapshot of the company itself and the purchase price for you guys. It tells you here which pieces belong in which area of the car. So we're going to do the map lights, and those look like this. Ta-da! So we're going to do that. Now the tool that you have in this to help you take out the map lights is this. However, I brought my own handy dandy flathead screwdrivers. So we'll see which one works better, and you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. All right, so let's go with this replacement. Okay. All right, so what you want to do first for the map lights is you're going to pop this open. I'm using the tool that was provided by the company Fire, and they're the ones who provided these LED lights. So we're going to pop this unit out here. Don't hold it in your hand. Obviously that was a no-no. Okay. I'm just gonna pop it out. There we go. There was a bug in there, guys. That's so gross. All right. All right, so now if you look up here, you will see there is a light bulb in here already for the map light, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and replace that with this. The best way to do it is, if you see this little piece right here that is in the bracket, we're gonna pop that piece out and then pop the bottom, and then we'll be able to replace with the LED facing us, okay? So here we go. It's out.
All right, so I went ahead and took my jacket off so I could get a little more comfortable in the space here. And I placed the LED light bulb with the photo receptors facing towards me, putting the point in first, and then placing the back of the light in the bracket second. And this just required a little finagling only because of how the bracket is set, but it is a really easy install once you get the hang of it. What you do on this one side for your map light, you will do for the other side. So I didn't capture it here because I know that you'll be able to have the same type of experience on the other side. Make sure you place your protectors back, just pop them into place, and you're done.
All right, so they're in a cradle position, so we're gonna put this in the same cradle position, and we're gonna see how that goes. Okay, so here we go. Just popping right up there. Done. Now we're gonna do the other side. Again, you're popping it right up there. This side is gonna be facing down, so the yellow part, with the silver part up towards the ceiling, okay? I'm just cradling it. And done. Now we're gonna pop this back in. And of course, it has the little areas here. Make sure they correspond to where you're gonna put this back in. I'm gonna start with these points up here first because they're easier to punch in, and then the bottom one, and just push it back up. Easy, done. Now all we have to do, because on this video, we're only doing the map lights and the dome light, is reconnect just that one black port on your battery and see how it is. And I will show you guys an update video this week on what the lights look like at night, so you can see, because this video is being done in the daytime. I know you guys want to see what it looks like at night, so I'll definitely post something this week so you can see the nighttime. All right guys, so I'm going to reconnect this. I'm not doing gloves. You can if you want. That noise means my battery's back on. For the sake of us looking at the lights, we're just going to go in and check them real quick, and I'll make sure this screw is connected nicely. Okay, so let's go check. All right, we got both map lights are on. They work. Oops. Okay, take two on this. My little light indicator was set to door, so it made it look like this wasn't turning off. So let's try this again. Excellent, map lights work well. Now let's check out the dome light. Dome light, there we go, nice and bright. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to Life According to Kay. Remember, DIY independence for the soul is what we do here. And I will see you guys midweek for another video on the darkness for these LEDs, so you can measure the light and see how bright it is. And then we'll do the We'll do the cabin, and we'll do the license plate lights and vanity lights on another video. So stay tuned. Bye.
I wanted to leave you guys with some information on Fireflies, the company that I got my LED light installation kit from. This is the way the kit looks. This is the posting on Amazon, as well as information on how it fits to your vehicle, as well as information on the cost, about $26. Can't beat it, guys. See you next time, all my independent souls. Bye.